back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Simply Grace, and if you're not new here, welcome back. In today's video, I wanted to show you guys a recent purchase that I made from the one and only Sephora. This was a purchase during the VIB sale. I got a couple of things and I just now realized they're all from the same brand, but these were products that I have been wanting for a while now. So I was like, you know what? I don't really need anything else. Might as well grab things that I've been wanting. And it was all Glow Recipe. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys everything that I got. So I ended up getting the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. I used to have this and I basically used it all up. I used this before and after makeup as well as part of my skincare. So this is what it looks like. Super, super cute. Has a beautiful and fine mist. It also smells amazing. The wind is playing with my hair. I also got this right here, which is the Strawberry Smooth BHA and AHA Salicylic Serum. It is that new strawberry serum that just came out. It is the cutest little thing. Look at this. Tell me this isn't the cutest little thing ever. So I'm going to be testing this out to see how I like it and what it does for my skin. A lot of people have been telling me that it's really, really good. So I decided to try it out for myself. So this is a newbie. I ended up getting a kit because it came with a full size of a product that I already have been trying and have been loving. But it also came with a couple of little travel size minis. So it was the Miss Glow Essentials by Michaela. This is Michaela and Glow Recipes collab. So it comes with a full size of the Dew Drops. It comes with a mini of the Plump Cream, which I really want to try. Then it comes with a mini of the Avocado Ceramide Recovery Serum, which helps with like redness and all that. So these are all really good for like redness, texture, skin that's kind of irritated. So I'm definitely super excited to try these out. This one in particular, I literally just ran out like 2 days ago. So I'm happy my order finally came in. All right, so the last and final thing that I did purchase from Sephora in the line of Glow Recipe, and it is the last and final thing that I purchased in this haul. So I got the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Dream Body Cream. Girl, I have been seeing this everywhere. And I'm at the age and time in my life where I just want to take care of my skin, my body, my hair, everything. I want to start taking care of it because we're just going to get older and we need to be proactive. So I got this. It's a lot bigger than I expected. If it was smaller, it was kind of pricey for being small, you know? So when you pull it out of the container, it looks like this. Super aesthetically pleasing. This will look absolutely beautiful on the counter. Oh wow, it smells so good. I like how all their packaging just has like cute little messages. It says glow from head to toe with this ultra moisturizing watermelon cream. But that is everything that was in my order, you guys. I'm super excited to try these products out. It just got here and I'm like, girl, let me film this video real quick. All right, if you guys made it to the end of the video, you guys are the real MVPs. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.